age na ako eh. Baka gusto mo mag-age. Loko ka. Okay, darling. Kunyari lang yun, dialogue. Kasi, I'm going to sing this song. I have to prepare my breathing like when you deliver a baby. You know, preparation to, like that. Ma, what do you want? Ha? It's Juventus eh. Ayoko kasi ng ganitong ilaw, nahihilo ako eh.
Hala!
Okay. Okay, I would like to dedicate this song to Dr. Raman and Jimmy so-and-so. Kasi hindi ko alam ang apelyido kaya so-and-so. Alam na ni Jimmy so-and-so yan. Jimmy, I know you're somewhere there. It's up to you to